Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to clear undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. So, let's get started. In your dashboard, hit the plus new button in the top left corner of the screen and select the Bank Deposit section. Make sure the account is on undeposited funds. Enter the tag in the Tags section. Next, in the Received From section, click on the drop-down arrow and choose one. Next, in the Account section, select or add the account. Next, in the Payment Method section, select the payment type. Now, in the Amount section, enter the amount you mentioned. You can enter the memo in the Memo Type box. Next, select Cashback goes into cash or in what you want. And lastly, enter the cashback amount. Under this, you will find the grand total. After reviewing everything, the last thing you have to do is to click on the Save and Close button in the bottom right corner. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.